Hey everyone, how's everything? Today I'd like to share with you a solution for making multiple ISO files on a USB drive to boot so that you can install different flavors of OS or software onto your machine. So this software is called Ventoy. It's an open source tool for creating bootable USB drives. So this is the website ventoy.net, right? You can take a look at that, and basically currently they are at version 1.0.22. Right, so it comes with a live CD version, Linux version as well as Windows version. So for today, I'll go through the Windows version setup. So you come to the releases for the GitHub. You see Ventoy 1.0.22 release, and below you have the download for Windows Live CD ISO as well as Linux. So what we'll do is that install the Windows version, and then we'll set up our USB drive. Okay, so after downloading it, right, basically you go to the folder. Alright, so now you go to the folder, you basically decompress the zip file and you get these few directories and the ventoy2dis.exe. So at this moment, you can plug in your USB drive. So for myself, I have a 16 gig USB 3 SanDisk USB drive, so it's a faster drive, you can put in more stuff. So we'll run this application. Okay, and you can see from here, basically it detected the USB drive, so you need to look at external drive, not internal. So it's very safe, it doesn't overwrite any of your current hard disk or NVMe drive or SSDs that you have in the system. Right, currently in this package is 1.0.22, the current version, and there's nothing in the device. So why we have this box is because you can also perform a upgrade of the software in later when you have a version 1.0.23 or future versions. You can run this on the same drive and just upgrade the software package without having to re-download the ISO file. So that's the beauty of it. So let's do the install. Right, so this is done. Okay, so now when you open the USB drive, it's basically blank. This is a free space that we can dump in the ISO file. So what I've downloaded yesterday is the Windows 20 May 10 ISO file. So what I do is just basically just drag and drop this into this drive. Right, with the Windows ISO copied to the USB drive, we can now close this window and eject the thumb drive. Insert the USB drive that you just created with Windows 10 into the new PC and set the BIOS to boot off from the USB drive. When the USB boots up, you'll be presented with the menu of ISO files. Just choose the Windows and press enter. This will continue with the normal Windows setup process, and here is the screen for your Windows installation. Congratulations! Now you have the Ventoy bootable USB solution that can hold multiple ISO files for all your special project needs. Thanks, hope you enjoyed this video. There are some other videos I've made in my collection, so do take a look at them and give me your comments. Do subscribe to my channel and give me a like if you enjoyed this video. Also give me a comment in terms of what you'd like to see next. Take care and have a nice day, and see you in the next video.